Hello friends, today I am going to make lotus with clay. For that I have taken pink color clay, giving shape of lotus petal. Very slowly, here I am giving the details of the petal. It's ready. I've already made petals of 3 sizes. Now it's time to make leaves. Here I've taken green color and giving shape of leaf. Leaf should be little bigger and the details of the leaf. See, already some leaves are made. I have a clay glass and a small clay plate to decorate. First of all, let's start with the lotus. One by one, all the petals with the topmost row. Make sure your clay should be completely dry. Pasting all the petals one by one, the smaller petals first. See how it will go. Now with the second layer, the size should be increased according to the row. The larger one at the last. One by one, all the petals covering the complete glass. See how it looks? Now it's time to paint. I'm going to paint the petals from its edge. The innermost edge, just giving the shade to cover the clay part and the glass part too. It will give a natural look also. Inside the glass I have done orange color. See how it looks? I have some pink color pearls and I'm going to paste the small pearls on the edge, the tip part of every leaf, just to give a shining look to your lotus. One by one on all the leaves, the tip of the leaves. Now I have big pearls and which I am going to paste in between the leaves of the top row only, because down the layers it will not be visible. So I'm going to decorate the top row. Here it is done. Now it's time to decorate the edge of the glass. Here I'm going to paste small pearls again in between the gaps of the leaves. See, it's almost ready. Now it's time to decorate the plate part. I'm painting it with the dark green color, covering all the sides from inside and outside. And here I'm going to paste the leaves. One by one, all the leaves. And again I'm saying that make sure your clay should be completely dry. It's ready, and in the center I'm going to paste my lotus. Adjust all the leaves of the lotus with the tools. While pasting it on the plate, it may be curled down. See, it's done. You can use it as your candle holder or any accessory holder for your dressing table. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to give your valuable comments. Stay tuned for the next. Bye-bye.